We'll start with the shloka number 23. Everybody have this book, I hope. They can also read the shloka. Just let me show it. Is it visible? There is a doorway 6. Shashtadwar. Shloka is something like this. You can see the English translation. It says Moon and Venus are aquatic planets. Mercury, Jupiter are rural planets. Rahu, Mars, Sun, Saturn are villain planets. But how to use it? To know about the places, etc. In the query, the following would be of good use. We have 150 students right now, so many of you are already practicing Prashna. So you must have used this knowledge somewhere. You can apply these things in Vedic, in KP, in Nadi, everywhere. Like we know, Moon is watery planet. Okay, now this is elementary part, correct? We can't change it in the BNN, we can't change it in KP. This is equally applicable for every system. Same shloka you will find in other Prashna book also. Shukra Chandrashcha Jalcharo. Okay, Budho Guru Gramacharino. The same shloka, the first line. Okay, but with different interpretation. Now pay attention to this thing. The shloka is saying Venus, Moon are water type planets. Simple understand. Take it as simple. When I say aquatic, it's fine, but understand they are water type planets. Venus is connected to beauty, liquid, and comfort, correct? And all things are connected with water. Moon is a ruler of water, emotions and flow, also water. So they are Jal Charo. Author is saying, Rishi is saying Jal Charo. In B pages also you'll find this knowledge. This is not new, correct? These are completely elementary and basic. So these planets are water-goers or signifying the water-related things. So these planets are connected to wet places like river, tanks, ponds, kitchen, bathrooms, etc. Mark my word, bathrooms also. Wet area. Whatever is wet places, that is represented by these two planets. Clear, everybody? Buddha Guru Gramacharino means village goers. Now see, understand Mercury. You see this? Mercury and Jupiter are rural planets. So in other classical texts, they say Buddha Guru Gramacharino. Gramacharino means villagers or rural. They are saying here. Okay, so Mercury is linked with the logic, correct? Logic, trade, youth, books, and urban life. Urban life is signified by both, but here in the shloka they are saying Jupiter and Mercury both are villagers. Jupiter is connected to dharma teaching schools and temples. So these planets are found in inhabited places. Now write it down: towns, town, houses, offices, schools, temples. These are the places where you will see Jupiter and Mercury energy. Now this last word, okay, they are using the word Aranyacharini. Okay, Rahu, Kshitija, this particular, there are two things in the last shloka. Simple understanding is Rahu, we know Rahu as a shadow planet, correct? Mysterious, poison, forest. Kshitija. So in this shloka, you will find the word Kshitija. What is the meaning of Kshitij? Kshitija means
Horizon.
horizon or born of earth. Okay, the different meaning of Kshitija is born of earth. Bhumiputra. Who is that? Mars. Mars is called Bhumiputra. Okay, son of earth. Kshitija. Here in the shloka, in the context of this shloka, the same word Kshitija have different meanings in a different context. Manda. Next word is Manda in the shloka. Manda means Saturn. Slow, dark, connected to old things. Okay, labor, mining, iron, all things are related to Manda, Saturn. Last word is Arka. What is the meaning of Arka? Arka means sun. So whenever in shloka, you will find the word Arka. Arka means sun. Surya. Surya is fiery, powerful. It is linked to hills and minerals. Both. Okay. So they are saying, shloka is saying Rahu, Mars, Saturn, Sun. All are Aranyacharani. Aranyacharani means forest goers. Okay, forest. So these planets are linked with the wild places like jungle, hill, cave, workshop. Now in today's context, that is workshop. Okay, under construction areas. Nowadays, when you use this, you can't say na hill and jungle. Everything is not connected to hill, jungle, and cave. Where is my key lost? You can't say by seeing the Mars. No, go search in the cave. Okay, I am living in city. My car is standing in city in my parking, and you are saying search my keys in the cave. Is it making any sense at all? So you have to use in the modern context. So all these four planets showing you workshops, okay, under construction areas. I will give you more significations of this with examples. Clear, everybody? So Rahu, Mars, Saturn, Sun are the forest, wild, rough places type planets. So now the question is how to use this shloka number 23 in the Prashna Jyotish. Now see, this shloka is complete. It is not like you require something else to use it. No. If you know basics, complete basics, that done. The shloka from today only, from this one first shloka, you can start utilizing something for the prediction. The shloka is very practical and testable. You can test it. It will help you in one powerful question. What is that question? Where is the thing? Where is the person? The answer is connected to this Prashna. You can use this shloka. Okay, you can locate lost objects, understand the nature of an event, predict the kind of places where results will come. All using this one classification, all you can predict by using this one shloka, number 23. Obviously, we will see this systematic in our upcoming portion, but Acharya of this Bhuvan Deepika, this book, he is considering that the students who are reading his book, they know the basics, correct? By keeping this understanding, he is starting with this shloka. So always understand, this is our first session, just write it down. Whenever you cast any chart, okay, for the moment, for the Prashna, you have to always check the Lagna Lord. Okay, Lagna Lord for the general questions. Lagna Lord is connected to anything, everything. Okay, Lagna Lord is very, very important. Second is Hora Lord, very important in the Prashna. Okay, write it down. Lagna Lord, Hora Lord. Sometimes we don't use Hora Lord directly, okay, but Hora Lord is important always. Third point is very important. Third point is planet who owns the relevant house. If question is related to money, second house Lord. If question is related to land, fourth house Lord. If question is related to spouse, seventh house Lord. Understanding, everybody? The third important factor is planet who own the relevant house. And the fourth point is planet strongly influencing the house and the karaka of that event. Who is the karak? Like moon is for mind, Venus is for women. Like this, we have karak tattvas, correct? I hope everybody is aware of this. Basic karak tattvas of planet and the significations of houses. So now the thing is, if someone lost their wallet, okay, and during the Prashna, Venus is a Hora Lord connecting with the second and fourth house, something like this, okay, scenario. Then Venus becomes the main planet. So Venus will tell you where is that wallet located. So what you will answer? We have just seen Venus is aquatic, correct? Venus and Moon. So wallet must be placed nearby any watery body. So you can't say, no, go and search pond, the river, go Haridwar and check there. And I am living in Delhi. So this shloka is making any sense? No. Okay, you have to change. You have to use it in the modern context. Correct? If I know I am in my house and I lost somewhere nearby my house or inside the house, outside the house, within the town. So now you use this Venus. You know the Venus is the main planet who is influencing the chart. So pick the Venus part of the shloka. It means you can tell them go and search near kitchen, in the kitchen or near bathroom. You must have placed their wallet in kitchen or bathroom, something like this. Are you understanding this? So this shloka is giving you the information where to find those objects. This is the first step to identify the main planet. Whenever you cast any Prashna, first identify the main planet, main responsible planet. So for that, we have these four parameters. Either Lagna Lord is the main planet, or Hora Lord is the main planet, or planet owning the relevant house, is the main planet, or planet strongly influencing the house and the car can become the main. So your whole task, whenever you cast a Prashna, you have to judge who is the main planet in this whole Prashna. So you have to conclude your whole analysis to this level. Okay, because this main planet will give you all information, whatever you require. Now, in second step, once you identify the main planet, your job is very easy. What to do? Okay, you have to match the planet to its movement class, as given by Shloka 23. If it is Moon and Venus, it is Jalachara. Okay, Jalachara means water-goers. It means that is linked to water, liquid, kitchen and bathroom. If it is planet is connected to Gramachara means town goers or village goers. That is Mercury, Jupiter. If Mercury, Jupiter are the main planet in your Prashna, so you can link to village, room, hall. Okay, in your house, it represents hall or market area. Okay, planet is main planet in that Prashna is Rahu, Mars, Saturn, or Sun. Any of these planets. Then it represents Aranyachara. Aranyachara means forest. Then whatever you are searching, okay, that is linked to forest, hills, or maybe what we call that, scrapyard, where you put useless items and all. Mines, and in corners also, this Rahu, Mars, Saturn, Sun represent corners. Once you know the planet, you can say the general area of involvement. Okay, rest of other details, you can use signs and houses to refine the prediction. Okay, it will give you the background environment. For example, Moon in Cancer sign in 4th house. How you can conclude? Moon in Cancer sign in 4th house. Water place inside the house. It means conclusion is near bathroom or under kitchen sink. You select it. Sun in Capricorn in 10th house. Sun in Capricorn in 10th house. Where is my lost item? Anybody want to try? Sun in Capricorn 10th house. If your main planet is Sun in the Prashna.
Some government office जो last visit किया हो.
Yes. So it means it may be located in a scrapyard or government office basement.
The storage room at home. If it's home, like if there's no office, like in the question, then it will be storage room.
Storage room or near old file. Okay. Or near where you keep something, old documents and all.
Sir, we can use the direction of 10th house, south direction.
Yes, obviously. Not direction of 10th house.
No,
House is never direction.
that Capricorn sign, sir. Capricorn sign.
Signs you can use. Okay. So that shloka is there in the same book. We will cover that part. I will give you some examples. Okay. I have some chart for this. I will show you how to implement this shloka. But before that, let's take on just a small understanding. Let's say somebody lost a gold chain. Okay. And Hora Lord Pontic Prashna is Venus, placed in Pisces sign, watery, in 2nd house or 4th house involvement. When you know Venus is a water, correct? Watery planet. Pisces is also water. 2nd house and 4th house shows wealth plus
home.
What will be your prediction? It is inside the house. Okay, in or near water place. You can tell them, go and check near sink, bathing area, what else? Inside steel glass or container with water. You will find that object there. So like this, we need to use this shloka. So this shloka is giving you very, very, very important clues. Okay, don't take it literally like if it is aquatic, so don't restrict it there. You can use it in many ways. Where is person hiding? Somebody is asking. So let's say Hora Lord is Saturn. Saturn is in Scorpio sign in 7th house. This is the situation. Scorpio sign, 7th house, Saturn. Now Saturn is our main planet. Saturn is what? Saturn, as per shloka, Saturn is a forest. Okay, so don't take it as a forest. We can't always say no, he is hiding in forest only. Forest or hill.
Maybe a dark place due to Scorpio sign.
Yeah. See, Scorpio sign means watery but secretive, underground. Seventh house is person in question. That's why Saturn we are taking in the seventh house. So it means that person is in rough or hidden place.
So it's like a basement or something.
Yes, could be warehouse, factory shed, or under construction building. As I told you, these are the under construction building, iron scrap zone. But if this is short, he is not hiding in clean and social place. Sometimes, see, the planet position is same. Okay, Saturn, Scorpio, seventh house. But sometimes, depending on the question, you have to use it inside the house only. Okay, something you have lost in the house. Now, the same position, Saturn, Scorpio, seventh house, you can tell them near tools, iron or dark area you search. Identify the dark area in your house where tools are kept. Search there. So think about this shloka, think about its application, okay, how we are using it. It is not limited to the places like hills, forests, river and pond. So depending on the context of question, you have to convert it. You can use the same shloka inside your house, inside the office, inside single room.